was through gaming. Now that the quarantine is over and you can get together with your friends, do the ones you play with also visit you sometimes?
All the
Sila rin yun.
Yeah, yeah.
I met them, yeah. Cool bunch of dudes, by the way. That's a good point there. Ha? Sana may matutunan kayo dito ng communication is key. Kasi virtual is fun, but communication is life. Mga kaibigan, welcome muli sa ating channel na 4H. Ako po ang inyong abang lingkod, si Dino Santos. Ngayon kasi ang ating paksa is yung happiness out of the 4H. Di ba? Maalala nyo, 4H, hope, health, happiness, and humor. So ngayon, tatalakayan natin sa happiness. At ang ating panauhin ngayon ay walang iba kundi si Paulo Hinete. Siya yung kaibigan ko. At ay isang pinaka nirespeto kong expert pagdating sa larangan ng computer gaming. Yan. So, simulan natin na Paulo. Ano yung mga paborito mo na
It's a lot. JRPGs, I play Rainbow Six Siege, Open World Adventures, mga ganyan. Actually,
Ah,
everything except visual novels and mga first person. Which is weird kasi sinabi ko Rainbow Six, pero yun lang yung nalaro ko, first person.
mga first person. So, it's either first person. Kasi pag sinabi first person, para maintindihan ng iba, lalo na yung mga matatandang nanonood. First person meaning tulad ng Counter-Strike, you know, like a first person shooter or first person explorer, like Genshin siguro. Like first person.
Oh, that's third person.
Third person kasi yung angat na nga pala.
You can see the player.
Ayun. So pag first person, kita mo yung mga nasa paligid mo pero hindi mo makita yung sarili mo.
Yeah, pero to clarify,
Mm.
I don't usually play first person.
Oh, okay.
Except Rainbow Six Siege. Normally,
Mm.
third person ako. Rainbow Six Siege na nilalaro ko na first person.
Okay. Bakit nakakapag-enjoy yung Rainbow? What makes you like it so much?
Because I'm playing with friends.
Oh, okay. So, tandaan nyo yan. No? Kahit na mag-isa ka sa kwarto, lalo na nung nag-pandemya, di ba? Hindi tayo makalabas. At least you had some
Yeah.
kind of interaction.
Mhm.
Mm. Kailangan ba high-end yung mga gamit natin para makapag-enjoy tayo?
No naman, pero of course it helps. It's a lot better good playing kapag mas maganda yung setup mo. So, better experience.
So, Pao, kung meron sa ating mga nanonood gusto maglaro, ano yung minimum requirements?
I don't think I'm the I'm the person to ask. Kasi
Okay, hardware na yan, eh, no?
yeah, and kahit na ako, I have friends na parang
Okay.
I need help and then they come and help me.
Okay, so, I'm assuming at least may keyboard man lang.
Yeah, yeah.
Kasi command, left, right, up, down, ganyan. Tapos, at least naman yung monitor mo is mas malaki kaysa yung normal.
Yeah, and also, up to date naman yung AI na yun, and you can Google it na, I think, na this is my budget, what's the best
Ah.
setup I can buy.
Ngayon, pagka halimbawa, busy yung mga friends mo, meron ka bang mga option
Oh,
na...
no. They unbusy themselves. They unbusy themselves.
I like that. I like that. Because it's no fun playing alone.
I mean, there are games that you enjoy while playing alone, pero yung mga specific games na was made for Dota, yung mga first person.
Pagdating naman sa gaming, meron kasi mga games na galing sa device na
Yeah, mobile.
talamak, you know. It's so common. You see everybody in the streets, minsan naglalakad, naglalaro. How do you feel about those kinds of...
Weird kasi we were just talking about as long as na yung monetization nila is hindi super 3D, which is very hard pag sa mobile kasi that's where they get their revenue. I'm okay with it, I guess.
Mm.
I mean, it's your money. It's your money.
Bagay. Marami kasi mga games na libre, downloadable. Meron din mga binabayaran. Yung mas magaganda yun kasi syempre.
Tapos a lot is free,
Mm.
pero there's an in-game shop.
Okay.
And normally ang strategy nila dyan, so you get it for free,
Okay.
and then they FOMO you, fear of missing out, and then they sell yung mga kailangan mo through their online shops. You should read about it, gacha games. And yung normally talamak sa mobile games, that's a good read or it's a good watch. Papanood mo sa YouTube.
Sabagay, totoo yun, no? Kasi kung gusto mong manalo ka man lang paminsan-minsan, mag-upgrade ka no? Sa armas mo or kagamitan mo, or maybe you might buy a map that shows you
Yeah.
where the other things are, and that cost. So, how do people pay these days?
Normally sa phone mo, you have your bank account there. Diba? You have so normally tap na lang yan. It's as easy as parang.
So mas madali na nga yung bayaran.
Yeah.
Kasi-
For better or for worse. For better.
I know what you're saying there kasi nga marami ring hackers, so pagka hindi tayo minsan nabibiktima rin tayo doon, no? Kahit nga GCash nabibiktima ano pa kaya yung games. Kung meron kang mga games, is there a game you're looking forward to being released?
Yeah, of course. Pero yeah. Pero mostly sa kanila is JRPG. It's Japanese role-playing games. Or RPG lang in general.
Meron palang ganun, ano? Kasi hindi ko na naabot. Japanese role-playing games. Sabagay, no?
Mga Final Fantasy, Xenoblades.
And I'm sure the graphics on those are like super.
Some, yeah. Some you can play on the PC, some for handheld. So obviously, pag handheld device, mas mahina yung graphics.
Okay.
Pero pag PC, if playable sa PC, normally, most of the time, yung graphics.
So, when you play, do you play competitively or is it more like a team effort para mag-succeed ka?
If mga games na like mga Rainbow Six Siege, yeah, it's team effort syempre. Pero kaya rin mga RPG, it's just a solo experience. It's like playing through an adventure, like watching a movie, a 60-hour movie, parang gano'n. So, different experiences. Yung playing with friends competitively and playing a solo adventure.
Do you agree na minsan we need to play games as a form of catharsis yung pagka medyo bummed out tayo sa
I mean,
atin?
of course. And kahit nga not lang for catharsis so I play this because I enjoy the act of playing it. I enjoy being in another world.
Yeah, parang Ready Player One, di ba? Yun yung premise ng movie na yun na the world sucks so much that they would put on virtual reality and explore
I
an
think,
entirely new universe.
I guess catharsis by that definition.
Ako, I can agree with that kasi wag niyo sabihin matanda ako pero dati kasi nilalaro ko Grand Theft Auto. And for me, that was cathartic kasi pagka naipit ako sa traffic na matagal tapos maraming mga kamote. At least in the game, I can squash them like bugs and not be put in jail because of it. So, yeah, having another world to escape to.
Yeah, escape.
I'm willing to bet that was such a big deal during the quarantine years.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people got into gaming that previously wasn't into it because of
Lalo na nung iba yung mga bata, they couldn't go to school. So
Yeah,
they have to go online. I watched my own children look like zombies because their teachers were, shall we say, less than inspired themselves. So patay yung mga camera, patay yung mga microphone. It's like talking to a columbarium. And so the only way to somehow find interaction with friends you cannot
That
be
time, yeah.
physically with. No thanks to COVID, was through gaming. Now that the quarantine is over and you can get together with your friends, do the ones you play with also visit you sometimes?
All the
Sila rin yun.
Yeah, yeah.
I met them, yeah. Cool bunch of dudes, by the way. So, what advice would you give somebody who's kind of depressed, maybe hindi naman sabing wala siyang capacity to get some decent hardware.
I don't have to get this entire pero
Okay. Yeah, but I've seen your rig, man. Kahit na ganun yan, impressed pa rin ako. Awesome. So, if there's somebody there feeling a bit persecuted kasi you know how parents are. Yeah, they can really get on your case for playing too much. What would you say to encourage them?
uh, I didn't do this nung bata ko, pero if I can go back, hopefully, communication. If kaya mo ma-communicate sa kanila, kanyari, I do good sa school,
Hmm.
I get this. But parents tend to shut you down kaagad. Pero most of the time kasi they assume na mas bata ka, bullshit lang ang mga sabihin mo. Pero I think if mapaliwanag mo sa kanila proper,
Mm-mm.
as long as hindi crazy naman yung parents mo, normal parents naman sila, I think maintindihan naman nila. Dapat. Kasi minded eventually. So hopefully, ganun din sila.
Thank you. That's really much appreciated.
Yeah.
That's a good point there. Ha? Sana may matutunan kayo dito na communication is key. Kasi virtual is fun, but communication is life. It helps enormously. So, thank you so much for being with us on our show, Pao.
No problem.
And if you enjoy this, please leave a comment. Like maybe you have a recommendation for something Pao can try playing. You know, hey, if you wanna play with him as well, look him up. And we will be placing that in our next episode. So for now, do click on like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments. Let us know what you think. And with that, remember that learning is a never-ending journey with limitless vistas.